Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook Business Manager account. So you have two options to create a business manager account. Now you can only create two business managers in one account, and in one business account you can create 24 ads account. So right now this is the account. So in this account you can see there is already a business manager. Now what we have to do is we have to create another business manager, and that business manager should be valid. If it's not valid, then it will not be created and we will face some errors. Now what we have to do is simply, you can see here in business meta suite I have business accounts, and in that I have two accounts or three accounts as well. So now simply we just have to tap on this create a business account. We are going to create a new business account from here. So simply tap on it. We don't have any need to create a new business account, but simply you have to enter your name, your surname, first name, surname, and you have to enter your business email address, and you can simply create your business account. So whatever your business name, whatever you decided, you have to enter first name, last name, and the business email address. And then you can simply tap on this create and your business account will be created, and you will find your business account there. As you can see these accounts here, you will find your new account here. After creating, you can simply run your ads in these accounts. So that's simply it. That's how you can create business manager account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.